Recolorable Element Tutorial by Sheila. Using Infinite Design. Here are the video contents. Search and install the mobile application. Creating the recolorable element. Using Infinite Design. Checking if it's recolorable in Canva. Contributing the SVG file to Canva. Go to your Play Store. Search for Infinite Design. Click it, then install. Open it, then just click Allow. You only have 7 days trial, so be sure to use it wisely. Click Back. Click New. Rename your project. Change the size to 1500 by 1500. Untick the infinite. Click Create. Pinch the screen to zoom out. Select the brush on the lower left of menu. There's a lot of brushes, but I'll just use the lasso. Now click the compass icon for tools. Then look for the pen and select it. Just make taps on your screen until you make some sort of blob-like shape. Now tap the points you made to smooth its line. Now click this icon to close the path. You can also move the points to edit the blob shape. Click check icon if you're done. Click this to remove the pen tool. Now click the compass icon for tools. Select the fill. Change the color to your liking. Now drop a fill color to your shape by tapping its inside. Click to remove fill tool. Click Tools. Select Move. Now select the shape and resize to fit the artboard. Click this 3 dots. Click Export. Change the format to SVG. Untick the background. Then click Export. Remember where your file is saved, so that when you upload it, you know where it is located. Open your Canva app. Click this add icon. You can select Instagram post or any design size. Select the Uploads tab. Click Upload Media and select your SVG file. Select your design and see if it's recolorable by changing its color. Congrats! You made a recolorable element using mobile. Now let's contribute to the Contributor Hub. Click Select File. Locate and choose the SVG file you made. Scroll up and you'll see that there's no metadata. Pull this white tab up to see all metadatas. Let's add a title abstract blob shape. Let's not forget its color on the title. You can add your name here or brand. Let's add some keywords for it to be found inside the Canva library. There's a glitch on the app that makes the words double, so be mindful of that. Now bring this white tab down. Click I am the owner. Click Submit. Congratulations, upload more. Now it's in review.